morning, guys. Honestly, before that, I just woke up. I got a text from my co-worker, and she just basically asked me if I wanted to go and get some lunch with her. So I was like, sure, why not? We're gonna go to Chicken Salad Chick, and I'm just gonna take you guys along. Just got done eating a Chicken Salad Chick. Eventful lunch, to say the least. Just talked a lot, caught up with things. Just great seeing someone from work, and just about to head back right now, to be honest. Probably go work on some Teachers Pay Teachers when I get home. What is good, guys? Back at it again. So this is what I have planned for today. I'm going to be making a few magazine cases for my classroom. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And again, obviously I can go to Target, I can go to Walmart, I can go to Dollar Tree. I can go buy these magazine cases for like what, $1 to $5. But I rather make my own out of wood because I think it will last longer and it will look better. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Again, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how to make them, and I'm going to post a picture of what I want to make right up here so that you guys have an idea of what I am doing. Alright, again, let's get to it. Alright, I'm going to show you what you need in order to make these magazine cases. Again, if you're only making one magazine case, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 3 pieces of pine wood that measures 2 feet each. Okay, additionally, you're going to need 2 more pieces of pine wood measuring 1 foot each. Again, this is just for one magazine case. It's going to cost you about, I don't know, $10 in order to get a piece of pine. In order to get 2 pieces of pine. Again, each piece of pine is about $5. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do this for about $1. Okay. Go on Craigslist and look up pallet wood. There we go. Look up pallet wood. Again, it is free wood, and I'm going to be combining this with my pine wood in order to make these magazine cases. Again, you can get these pallet woods absolutely free, and you can make these magazine cases for literally pennies on the dollar. So it can be extremely cheap, and it can be cheaper than you going to Walmart or the Dollar Tree and buying their magazine cases. Additionally, it's gonna look 1,000,000 times better. So again, let me cut this down, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so moments ago I misspoke. I said 3 pieces of pine that measure 2 feet each, when in fact you need 4 pieces of pine that measure 2 feet each, and 2 pieces more that measure 1 feet. Okay, so again, it's not 3, you need 4 pieces of pine that measure 2 feet each, and then you need 2 pieces of pine that measure 1 feet each. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to give it a quick sand, and then I'm going to screw it all together. Alright guys, real quick, I just wanted to show you the magazine slash bookcase that I made. Came out looking pretty good. Again, cost me about $13 to make. And again, it's obviously a little bit more expensive than what you can find at Walmart or at the Dollar Tree, but you know, I just like something handmade and that's a little bit unique. And then at the back of here I have two hooks, and that's how I'm gonna hook it onto my wall. And you know, that's about it. Again, I stained this piece. If you're trying to do it for yourself, you do not have to stain it. You can obviously paint it whatever color you want. If you do go with stain, you know, you can stain it whatever color you want. And again, just make it your own. Alright, that's gonna do it for today. Again, thank you guys for watching. Again, if you're trying to do this for yourself, you don't really have to spend as much money as I spent. Go find pallets. Again, people give away pallets, and you can use the wood from there to build your own magazine slash bookcase, and it will literally cost you about $6. Okay, and again, that's not a bad price, probably less than $6. You probably can make 3 magazine cases for that amount of money. Yeah, you probably can make 3 magazine cases for $6. So it's not a bad deal. I would highly suggest that you guys try this out for yourself. Again, let me know what you think of it. Like this video, share this video, consider subscribing. Comment down below what you would like to see again, and I will see you guys again next week.